Hi and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Today I'm excited to bring you a Dollar Tree haul and possibly some project shares at the end if this isn't too long. I don't have a whole lot of stuff, but I'm going to get right into it, and it's going to be kind of like all over the place. So sorry about that. Disney Princess hand lettering. Kindness opens every door. Cinderella. I picked up the Belle one, and I thought it would be nice to have the Cinderella one, you know, because you can cut that out. I love this. Or you could frame this if you were doing like a room or something. C is for courage. Make your own magic. So I was so excited to get that, to pick that up. I think these are new. I'm not sure. They were in the crafting section. It's laminated poly pouches, craft metally. You get 8 pieces. And this is, I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but this is gold. And they had silver. I picked up a Halloween card. Have an enchanted night. Sending ghouling good wishes for a bright and happy Halloween. I really need to get this out because I don't know if it's going to make it there in time. I picked up these bows from Voila. I picked up 4 of them. And you get 3 in each. 1. And that's the back daisy stick. So I got those. And I got this little gold one. These are smaller. And you get 3 from Voila. I picked up this little butterfly box. I also picked up this book. It says Pathways. If the path be beautiful, let us not ask where it leads. And I just guess it has some nice quotes and things in that. So I'll pick that up for a gift. This is kind of boring, but I picked up another one of these SureFresh 13 bags. I was getting low. They're storage gallon from SureFresh. You get 13 of them. So I picked that up. Picked this up for my hubby. Some shaving foam, sensitive skin. He wanted some shaving foam. It's out. This great big long, I don't even know if this is going to fit in the frame. It says, I think I'll just be happy today. I like that saying, but I got this just in case. Like I picked up the Halloween one that was like this, but it's not wood. For what I want to do with it, I don't know like if the words were going to fit on the other one that I got. So I just picked this one because it's longer. I'm like going to be repainting it possibly, or I'll just keep the phrase. Picked up some Halloween garland. These have like little bats, I guess, on them. It's kind of flimsy. I don't know if that was the best buy at Dollar Tree, but I picked that up. New wax melts. I picked up 2 of the apple cinnamon, 6 scented wax melts. They had lavender. They had one called Beach Rose, I think it was, and I think there was one other one, a melon one or something, apple melon or something. I'm like, this one smelled the nicest to me, and I don't tend to buy Dollar Tree candles anymore. I stick to their wax melts. I think are better. That's just my opinion. So I picked these up to have. Got some assured cotton swabs. You get 300 counts. Some Werther's shoes. Doesn't say how many you get, but I picked up those. Picked up some more of these all-purpose antibacterial wipes. Big value, 35 wipes. Thought I should get some more of those. Dollar Tree had these fashion masks. So I picked it up possibly for my husband, but he did try it on. It looks like this, and he said it is kind of small and probably wouldn't be that great. They had this in the black and I think one other one, but anyways, probably not the best buy. Some Apple liquid dish soap from Wizard that I always pick up, just trying to stock up for the winter so I don't have to go out in the snow. I picked this candy necklace blinking light pendant, battery included. So I picked that up. I got this tablecloth from the Christmas section. Hopefully you can see it. It's got like the mugs on it with the whipped cream and everything. And there is a gingerbread people on there, and I love them. So I picked that up. And I also picked 2 packages of these felt stickers with the gingerbread, the guy and the girl. Too cute, and you get 4 in a pack from Crafter Square. So had to get those. Lastly, I picked up these Jack Link's pepperoni sausages for my hubby. So quickly, I just wanted to share some, I think there's just really 2 little project shares I would like to share with you. Got these little hat boxes, and they're small, from the Dollar Tree, and I also picked up these little skeleton heads, and this is what my craft, I turned this plain little hat box into this. And this, it says Boo. This is a wood piece from the Dollar Tree. And these bats are also from the Dollar Tree as well. And some little cotton. And I just painted, and I believe the paint is either from Dollar Tree or Dollarama, but you can get paint at the Dollar Tree. And I just painted it pink, and I painted this black, and I put some glitter glue, and I believe you can get glitter glue at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure where mine came from. I can't remember. Probably from Dollarama, but you can get glitter glue there. And I just hot glued this on here in the top, and it is a little, I gotta glue that down. It is a little hard to open, but you could use these for a Halloween favor, like if you were having a Halloween party, make these up and put goodies inside, like candies or chocolates or something like that. Or if you're just really into Halloween and you love it, you could use it and decorate all your, like a girly Halloween, and just put it out on your vanity or in your craft room or something like that. Anyways, I did that, and I really like it. I hope you guys like it. Out of this, just painting basically and adding some stuff to the top. So I did that, and then I have done a video on these wooden hats. I did them last year, 2019, from the Dollar Tree. You get 5 in here. So I did some more. I bought some more of these from the Dollar Tree, and these are how they came out. Hopefully there doesn't like glare. So I just made some more, and I put them in there, and the cotton balls are from the Dollar Tree, and these little things are from the Dollar Tree as well. And the bows, these are how I packaged them with these voila bows. So that, like that, and then I just made with love, MrsCottonCandy, made with love from MrsCottonCandy. So that's what those are. So those were my little projects. Maybe I'll give you some ideas. I don't know.